Good evening, everybody. My name is Raj Bhatia, and today I'm going to be summarizing this beautiful book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So, this book I read a few days ago, and I thought of summarizing this book. So, this book is actually for those people who actually are from financial background. So, this book, somebody is going to be helping those people. So, I'm going to summarize this book in few points. So, let me begin. Uh, in Rich Dad and Poor Dad, it's mentioned that it's just the mentality of people, uh, and because of which they are not able to reach to their potential. So, Rich Dad thinks in a different way, and Poor Dad thinks in a different way. So, the mentality difference over here. Poor Dad thinks that one has to study hard, get good grades, good marks, and the moment you get graduate, you need to find a job, and you need to go and work, and work over there dedicatedly, and show your performance and go up the ladder. uh, However, on the other hand, Rich Dad says that you don't need to do a job. You just need to set up your own business. Why to go up the ladder? Why not let's own the ladder? So, Rich Dad says that I would do a job, but I would not do a job just because I want money. I would do a job because I want to upgrade my skills, and then I could become a businessman. I could become an entrepreneur after learning the skills through job. So that is what the mentality is. So now this book actually surrounds with all these beautiful pointers. So let's start. So the rich people buy assets, they do not invest in liabilities. Now, rich people always buy things which will give some return. So, for example, they would buy properties, they would buy gold, they would invest in gold or properties, because they know that if they will buy properties and they will put those properties on rent, through rent they can earn money. So what they're believing, that money earns money, so they should not always earn money. Money should also earn money, so they buy things which would get them money, compared to poor people's mentality. They buy liabilities and they think that they are assets. So, for example, they would buy a car, they would buy a bike, or they would buy a cell phone, an expensive cell phone, or stuff that way, and just for showcasing themselves that they are very rich to other people. But actually, if you go to see, they are not rich, because it's not enhancing the money value. So, first, very important point what we learned over here, that rich people invest in assets and poor people invest in liabilities. Now, financial literacy can only come through experiences. Now, you cannot learn financial expertise. You have to be over there, you have to experience how it feels, and then only you will actually learn financial literacy. You cannot be literate by studying anywhere. uh, Third point which I want to raise over here is that learn to sell. Selling is a skill. You need to sell every day. A lot of times people say that we are not in selling business, but you are. Anytime if you have gone in any of the interviews, you have sold your skills. So selling is very important, and we need to learn how to sell. And